We are in LA and we're going to baggage claim now, guys. Talk to you soon. Okay, we got all of it. Where to?
We are getting in the car now, which we have to take the shuttle somewhere. It says the purple. Look. Busy. It's our first time here actually.
This is the one. This is the one I was telling you. This is the Target I was trying to tell you.
Okay. It's our plaza here.
This is the Boulevard.
Yeah,
oh my god! There's a Marshalls. Oh, let's just do that. Madame Tussauds. Yes! We are now on Hollywood Boulevard.
The TCL.
Oh yeah.
We'll explore it more, guys. It is like beautiful.
I definitely will.
Bang, that looks good. We'll share everything. Okay.
Can you just say where we are?
We are at Chow King, Eagle Rock, this one?
Eagle Rock. And then I got the Bola Bola Siopao, Asado Siopao. We got the Lauriat combo. And Shomai and the
wonton soup.
wonton soup. Okay, cheers. Hey guys, so here we have the taho, and it is tofu. This is tofu?
Yeah.
Tofu, boiled down brown sugar, and tapioca or sago. Super good. Hey everyone, today is day 2 of Los Angeles, California trip, and we're headed to Universal Studios. They open at 10 a.m. till 6, and City Walk at Universal's is open from 11 to 9 p.m. today. Talk to you soon. Today we're here at the Universal Studios in Los Angeles. Sorry. It's beautiful weather. Hey y'all, we've already met Marilyn Monroe, and Ramil's having an amazing time for his first time. And we're looking for the Harry Potter ride. I'm so excited, y'all. The music. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be crazy here, trust me. Look, you see that? That's how it is in the. That's how it is in the movie.
Potter,
Look.
Potter. That expressness would have been mega sausage in the slithering teeth.
You're mad, Sam.
Go here.
Yeah.
Excuse me, we reckon we should warn you. If you stay much longer, you'll find yourself listening to Professor Binns go on about the history of Hogwarts.
Which should be pointed out is rather.
So we're here at the 3 Broomsticks, and we ordered 2 frozen butter beers, fish and chips, and the shepherd's pie. And yeah, we're gonna eat. I got a little dizzy on the Harry Potter ride, so if you get dizzy easily, then just a heads up. Anyways, we're gonna eat.
No, you cannot record in the ride.
Oh yeah,
we got pulled off the ride.
Yeah.
Into the back office, like
Just to the back hallway, yeah.
like their staff room, and they're like, "Do you have camera or something?" I'm like, "Oh yeah." I was
Maybe you can record, but then maybe it has to be on your.
I don't think so.
Anyways, we're gonna enjoy our food, get a little more energy. So we are in Springfield, y'all. I don't know why it's flipped, but okay, I'm gonna show you a little bit of Springfield. We have the Lad Donuts, some restaurants. Oh my gosh, I love it here. This is my favorite part. Did you ever watch Simpsons?
A little bit, not too much.
Freaking awesome. I have to get a souvenir here because I didn't explore it last time. Okay, here's the Krusty Burger. Wish. Oh my gosh. And you have the Bumblebee eatery there. Oh my gosh. Right from the show.
Oh, is it?
The Mosphere. Oh my god, Mosphere.
Sure you will.
Is this cool? Here is the Quickie Mart beside Krusty Land. We're heading to the studio tour now. So I'll try to take more videos for you.
Well, you are on board. We are busier now than we ever have been and are currently undergone an immense expansion in our studio because of the high demand for film and TV production here in LA. Century Knight Rider, the voice of the Kid Car was an uncredited Val Kilmer. Dick Rivers himself. Here's a red Ferrari 308 from the original Magnum PI with Tom Selleck. And we don't need some Back to the Future vehicles, including some from 2015, as seen in 1989's Back to the Future Part 2. Here's some Stone Age vehicles from the 1994 live-action Flintstones movie. Speaking of flying cars, it's the Ford Anglia, driven or rather flown by Rupert Grint and Daniel Radcliffe in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Here's a Fast and Furious street racer. When you think of the Flintstones, you might start thinking dinosaurs. Well, here's some Jurassic vehicles, including a gyrosphere from Jurassic World, directed by Colin Trevorrow. And here's some a boat featured in Jordan Peele's Us. Also, some military vehicles from the Transformers movie. About the gyrosphere, these are running the glass sphere that kind of Leonardo DiCaprio, Brad Pitt, and Cobb Vanth himself, Timothy Oliphant, and recently a showdown took place here.
So cool.
So sick.
Take a look at all the details here. We got ticket vending machines, turnstiles, and maps of the Bay Area subway stations on the wall.
Oh!
Anyway, that's what about Blue California is, which we get all the time. On the left.
Shoot, that's cool. Oh.
That's good steak, the big bird. The town of Amity Island, the same town that was terrorized by a 25-foot-long great white shark, nicknamed Jaws. Though the shark has finally been caught. In fact, Amity police divers are reporting right now they're doing a final check on the harbor before reopening the beaches to tourists. Here's a shark at the net. The shark doesn't look 25 feet long, it's more like 14 or 15 feet. These fishermen do tend to sometimes, shall we say, exaggerate the truth, and they're all, I got one that was this big. What they should be saying is, look at the big fin of the water. Oh, look at a fin of the water.
It's gonna come out. It's gonna come
out. The diver's still out there, but where is he? I don't see him. Ah, there he is. Sir, you gotta get back in the boat. Now. Hey, out of the water, look out, the number 2 late. The shark has got him. Oh, let's see, what do we do? Help, police! But you are the police. Please, remain seated at all times. Please take your seats and remain seated at all times as we make our way across the dock. I think our boys have caught the wrong shark. The real Jaws is still out there somewhere. I only hope that he takes the bait attached to the yellow buoy in the harbor. He's taking the bait, he's taking the pier. But he's actually much more reliable than was Bruce, the mechanical star of the movie Jaws.
That's a much reliant shark. The shark was frustrating. It didn't really work. It didn't work hardly at all. Wherever you were on the island, you could hear the radio. They were always saying, "The shark is not working. The shark." We just waited around. We just waited. The shark was working. Going up. Wow.
And in case you're wondering, Bruce the Shark from Jaws was named after Steven Spielberg's attorney. Don't Shout with John Travolta, an episode of Quantum Leap with Scott Bakula and Benjamin Smith with a Big St. Bernard and Dave Thomas of SCTV and Strange Fruit. And Never Have I Ever is also filming here to the left of what's called Colonial Speak. You might remember Colonial Speak as Mysteria Lane from ABC's Desperate Housewives, the place where Academy Award winner Tom Hanks lived in the 1989 film The Burbs. Christina Ricci was there filming part of the Casper movie. Nelly and Kelley Rowland shot Nelly's Dilemma music video there. We know about the Desperate Housewives. Tom Hulse and Stephen First shot a scene from Animal House around some of those sets. They're behind the yellow goose coop. Fast and Furious street races. There's a robot in disguise. Bumblebee back there, the yellow Chevrolet. Looks like Bumblebee has a police escort. And in a few moments, we're going to see a Ford Fairlane you might be acquainted with. What have you got?
Oh, shoot. Oh, that's so creepy.
We're going to hold the fan here for a few moments so you can take all the pictures you want. Your slash tag. You got the hashtag. Yeah. There's the house. Yeah. Nothing out of the ordinary here happening. Okay. Did you all see that? That was kind of creepy. Where was I? Yeah, we're going to hold the frame here for a few moments and get some photos of the guy with the dead body. Oh, wait, I know who that is, of course. It's Norman Bates. Oh, she's dead. Wrapped in plastic. This is not good. You know something, Titus? I think we might have overstayed our welcome. It looks like it's time for us to check out of the Bates Motel. We're going to head up to the house now, kind of the way that but here my house is going to be here. Just
Look how creepy he's still looking. Oh my god. of the world. This is crazy.
Now close.
Gonna hold the thing here for a few moments.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye.
Bye.